Hi everyone! In today's class, we are going to do a seated breathing practice. So this will just give us time from our busy day to just be still, be quiet. And maybe if you're feeling stressful or there's a lot of things on your mind, this would be a good practice to take. And this is also accessible for everybody. I even try to teach this in my kids' yoga classes. So I hope you enjoy. So we'll start on a chair. Actually, you can even be on a couch if you like, or if you're choosing to do this on your bed, maybe we'll do it seated at the moment. Okay. So we'll make sure that your feet are planted down. And then let's do a few side stretches just to get the muscles wrapping around the rib cage to stretch, just to give more space for our lungs to breathe. Okay. Inhale, we'll reach the arms up. Okay. And then as you exhale, your right hand will reach for the left side. And then you'll just drop your left hand just by the side. Okay. And then imagine you're holding something heavy. I mean, if you have a weight, you can even have a weight on your left hand. And then we'll just focus on reaching up and over. Okay. Now, as you reach up and over, make sure your right butt or right leg is pressing down on your chair. One more breath. And then from here, we'll release. We'll come back to center. Inhale. And then exhale, we'll reach for the right side as you lower down your right hand. So left hand reaches up and over, finding that nice stretch, the sides of the ribs, and then just letting your right hand be heavy. One more cycle here. And then exhale, we'll slowly release. Maybe even give the shoulders a shake. Okay. And then if you need to release the neck, maybe just quickly tuck the chin in and then just roll towards one side. Okay, see how the neck feels at this point. And then once you come back towards the center, make sure you go the opposite direction. And then noticing the breath again. And then we'll slowly release, lifting the head up. Okay. And then from here, before we start, okay, maybe getting yourself comfortable. You can even lean back on your chair. So I have a pillow. Okay. And maybe for this round, instead of letting our head rest, if you're doing this on your bed, maybe let's try for this session just to let your crown of the head reach up towards the ceiling. And then just go ahead, do any movements needed, maybe just shake it off. And then just let your hands rest on your thighs, or maybe even palms face up, or maybe just basically just letting your hands be comfortable. Okay. And then I'll invite you to close your eyes. Okay. And then as you close your eyes, just noticing any tension in the body, or maybe any heaviness in the body. Maybe the first few cycles of breath, okay, all of the attention is at your thoughts. Maybe with the next few cycles of breath, this time your attention moves down, maybe towards the shoulders, towards the belly, towards your hips, and then maybe all the way down towards your toes. And then as you sit comfortably wherever you are, maybe just trying to be still, whatever still means for you. Maybe noticing the noises around your space. Maybe noticing the noises inside. And then just noticing how we can weave stillness among all of that. And then once you find comfort there, this time bringing your attention to the breath. Just a slow inhale and a slow exhale. Bringing the attention to the breath again, just a slow inhale and a slow exhale. And then just noticing here again if there's a desire or a need to fidget. Noticing again if the thoughts are just running through the head. Know that they're both okay. As you come back again to focusing on the breath, just slowly breathing in through the nose and slowly breathing out through the nose. Maybe noticing what needs to soften as you stay seated. Maybe it's the eyes. Maybe it's the shoulders. Maybe if your hands are on top of each other, maybe it's the grip. Maybe it's the toes. Just noticing as your attention shifts from one to the other. Can you come back to the breath? Maybe noticing again from the crown of the head all the way down to the toes. Maybe noticing the noises around your space. Maybe noticing the noises inside. Can we weave through them? Can we define what stillness means for you? As you just softly breathe in through the nose and breathe out through the nose. And staying still. Staying quiet. Just noticing what comes up in between those pauses, in between those moments of stillness. As we slowly bring our awareness back, as we bring our mindfulness to the breath, maybe finding small movements, maybe moving your toes, maybe moving the fingers. And then when you're ready, we'll bring the hands together in front of the heart as we bow down. Namaste. So I hope you were able to find stillness, however that was for you in the last 10 minutes. Maybe a feeling of lightness or a feeling of peace. So whatever the result was, I hope it is what you were looking for in class. So So I would like to thank you for watching. This is Ever Yoga by Jo and Daya, sharing everyday yoga for everybody.